ngimthanda vela lona akufiwa ngiyovela khona noma ngathi uyandoya sengizomthandela khona lokho.
If your first time here, make sure you do the right thing. Let's go Primor.
Lokho ngimthanda vela lona akufiwa ngiyovela khona noma ngathi uyandoya sengizomthandela khona lokho.
But then I lawyer. Nah. But let's vibe. Let's vibe. Nah, this is the best song. Chris Step, if Nguwelo, this is the one. This is the one. I think Lunyaga hit this villain, but Chris Step, I think this one for this year, I think it was supposed to be a good one. Let's hope I couldn't use Pazamis. Let's hope. Nah, this one.
Ngimthanda vela lona akufiwa ngiyovela khona noma ngathi uyandoya sengizomthandela.
Okay, I understand now. But by in love, I think good dangerous. I think good dangerous by in love. Nje kwabona. Serious, I think dangerous. But okay, let's fight. Let's fight.
Khona lokho ngimthanda vela lona akufiwa ngiyovela khona noma ngathi uyandoya sengizomthandela khona lokho.
I hope he is aeroplane as Pazamis in the moment. I stay not far from the airport. We have a private jet that next door. But we have a private jet next door. So every minute we share the aeroplane. But the sound, I think it's gonna kill this moment. But let's rock. Make sure you do the right thing. Hey, vela sankhula sama man. I don't know what to do. Okay, let's add this. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But it's yach online yach. Tell me yiphi ingoma oyicunda bayihit now uzoyicomparison nale zakuba yiphi hit between zona zoyi-two.
Ngimthanda vela lona akufiwa ngiyovela khona noma ngathi uyandoya sengizomthandela khona lokho. Ngimthanda vela lona akufiwa ngiyovela khona noma ngathi uyandoya sengizomthandela.
But ke asikhuthaze yolona. What if yakuloya then luphelo lwakho uthando kuye benguwe wedwa olandela emva kwakhe? Icinge lenithi tani. What if kuna iyadikwa after ekufake iyeza ngoba uthando lwakho azofana saqaleni musa ngoba extra ngoku. See?
Khona lokho
Make sure you go and check all my videos. Make sure you comment. And make sure stay blessed. We out here.
Wah, ayatsho ngayi-trap inkinga ingxaki eyi nansi ingxaki eyi